Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make vision board on Pinterest in your phone. First of all, open Pinterest app and right here we need to click on profile icon, which you can see at the right bottom corner. Once you click here, you need to head to board section, which you can see at the top. Once you are here, you will be able to see the option for create board. Here you can see. If you are not able to see that, there is option for plus icon, and if I click there, you will able to see the option for board here. Just click on board and from here you can able to create board. So to name your board, just click on the first section and type the name of your board. I'll just type here, let's suppose places to visit. Okay, then if you want to keep this board secret, you can just turn on this option and then just click on next, and then you will see that your board has been created. And from here you can just add images to your board. So whichever image you like, you can just click on the image, then just look for more images just like this, and here you can just click on done, and you can see we have added images to our board. And similarly, if you want to add images to your board by searching them, then you can just click on the search icon, search for your image. I'll just type here, let's suppose New York, and let's suppose I like this image, so I can just click on it, then click on save, and here you will see your board. So this is mine one, I can just click on it, and yeah, that's the way you can add images by searching. So here you can see this is our board and we have added this image, and these are previous images. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can make vision board on Pinterest in your phone. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I'd really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.